Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this amazing look with a flawless base and colorful eyes. So I'll be teaching you this mehndi look today and I hope you guys loving this. And if you are new to this channel, let me tell you, I am Mehak and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos and let's be friends on Instagram too. So now by not wasting much time, let's get started. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं बाय क्लीनिंग आवर फेस। तो उसके लिए हम कोई भी रेगुलर वाइप यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम एनी ब्रांड। तो इससे हम अपना फेस क्लीन करेंगे ताकि कोई भी डस्ट और इम्प्योरिटीज़ हमारे फेस पे ना हो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर मेकअप। सो यस, नाउ आई एम डन क्लीनिंग माई फेस। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, क्लेंजर। तो फॉर दैट आई हैव जस्ट क्लेंस माई फेस, देन आई विल बी डूइंग अ लिटिल टोनिंग ऑन माई फेस। तो उसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले यूज़ कर रही हूँ रोज़ वाटर विच इज़ फ्रॉम लव अर्थ। सो आई विल बी जस्ट स्प्रेइंग इट ऑन माई फेस। इट फील्स सो रिफ्रेशिंग, इट फील्स सो गुड। अब हम चलते हैं मॉइस्चराइज़र की तरफ। सो सबसे पहले एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात सबको बताना चाहूँगी, टू हैव अ फ्लॉलेस बेस देन यू शुड हैव अ गुड स्किन प्रिपरेशन। सो नेक्स्ट गोइंग टू द मॉइस्चराइज़र, फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग this from Embryolys's. This is my favorite. This works as primer as well. So अगर हम इसको लगाने के बाद प्राइमर नहीं भी यूज़ करते हैं तो चलेगा। I'm done using a moisturizer which was from Embryolys's and it works as primer as well, so I'm not going to use any other primer. लेकिन to have a flawless shiny base I'm gonna use this liquid highlighter which is from Sugar and its number is 01. So I'm done with this also. अब मैं अपनी आइज़ की तरफ चलूँगी एज आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड माई स्किन पहले नहीं करती हूँ बिकॉज इफ़ आई विल डू डार्कर आइज तो उसके पार्टिकल्स फॉल हो जाता है आई शेडो के। आई डोंट वांट माई बेस टू रूइन एट दैट टाइम, सो इसलिए मैं पहले आइज़ ही करती हूँ हमेशा। सो टू प्रिपेयर माई आइज फर्स्ट आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस कंसीलर विच इज़ फ्रॉम क्राइलॉन फ्रॉम सुप्रा पैलेट, टेकिंग प्रो आर्ट PF01 ब्रश। Just blend this with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to do a little powder on this which is from Lakme so that no creases are created on my eyes. Now we will be doing the eyes. Firstly I'm going to start with the lightest brown shade which I'm going to apply on the crease and the ends of the eye, then taking the pink shade and applying on the same area and blending it completely. Then taking the darkest shade from the same family and applying it on the same area, blending all the colors together. Now taking the concealer and using it to cut the crease as we are doing a cut and crease eye today. Applying black color in the ends of the eyes to give the depth and then applying orange color with the flat brush in the center of the eye and blending it completely with the black one. Then taking the yellow shade and applying on the inner corner of the eye, blending all the three colors together, taking the glitter orange shade and applying it in the center, then blending all the colors together. Now taking highlighting shade to highlight the brow bone. It's a high time to apply some glitters in the center of the eye. So I'm done with the eye makeup. So now we will move to eyeliner. For that I'm using this MAC Black Track Gel Eyeliner. Using liner brush to apply the liner in the inner corner of the eye as I'm giving a little Arabic liner shape and then completing the eyeliner and giving it a beautiful wing at the end. So now I'm pretty much done with the eyes. So now moving on to my face and lower eye I will be doing later on. तो अब हम फेस की तरफ चलते हैं। तो आई एम हैविंग लिटिल पिगमेंटेशन, लिटिल डार्क सर्कल्स, तो उसको कवर करने के लिए आई विल बी यूजिंग एन ऑरेंज कंसीलर। Applying orange concealer on the pigmented area around my skin and blending it completely, and then applying orange concealer under my eye and blending all together. Then applying a skin color concealer. I'm done with the concealing, so now we will moving towards foundation and today I'll be using this NYX foundation and I'm in the shade True Beige. This is little lighter to my skin tone, so a little darker one, and this its number is 14. This is Golden Honey. I'll be adding a drop of this in my shade.
mixing lighter and darker shade both together and applying it on all over my face. And yes, don't forget your neck, please.
Now moving towards the concealing, so I'll be concealing my under eye and the center of my face, which I want to highlight. For that I'm using this concealer from Sugar and it's in the shade 30 Chocochino.
Applying the concealer on the under eye first, then moving towards the nose and the center of the face that I want to highlight. Now blending concealer with a clean round brush. Taking a drop shape blender to blend the concealer under the eye.
So now I'll be setting up my face using a setting powder which is from Maybelline and I'm in the shade 20. Now moving forward to do contour and to give a proper shape to my face, and for that I'm using my favorite contour powder, which is Hoola. Now moving forward to next step, which is blusher. So for that I'm using my favorite palette, which is from Revolution. Many people recommended this and I use this one. It's absolutely amazing. Forward towards my eyebrows, for that I'll be using this pencil which is from Sugar. I recommended this one in my earlier videos also. I use the shade grayish brown, which is 02 Top Tom, and I recommend this completely. You can trust me on this, it's really amazing. So now I'll be moving forward to do.
Taking a pencil brush and a dark green shade to do my under eye and blending it. Then taking silver pencil and using it and going to apply lashes, as eyes are just incomplete without that.
Now I'm gonna quickly apply mascara, which is from Bobbi Brown and it's in the shade black. For lips, I'll be surely choosing my favorite lipstick, which is from My Glam. It's my favorite shade. I just love this one, and its name is Spy Hunt, so you can go with this too. Oh wait, I just forget to apply highlighter. Like, how can I forget that? So now I'll be using a highlighter which is from Maybelline. So I'm done with the complete mehendi look, and you guys very well know that mehendi look is just complete without jewelry. So I'll be going and wearing that and will be coming back. I'm done completing my mehendi look. This jewelry is just looking so pretty. I can't get over it, and this is gifted to me by one of my followers from Insta. Her Insta page name is Crafts by Muskan. So if you guys like this jewelry, if you want to order yours, if you want to get customized jewelry of your choice, then you can surely check out her page and DM her for the same. I'm so much in love with this look. What about you guys? And if you guys love this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon button. And yes, let's be friends on Instagram too. I post daily content there. You'll be getting a new reel with a new idea every day and you'll be loving it. I assure you that. See you next time.